This is May 18th, 1980 at 8:31 in the morning. We are outside Portland, Oregon. Who can tell me what happened on this date? Joey, can you tell me what's going to happen in 5 seconds?
I don't know.
I thought I would wake you up. This is Mount St. Helens. You are watching 7 megatons of thermal energy move 250 million cubic yards of matter.
Oh, is that like lava?
No, it's gases, rock, and ash propelled by steam at 670 miles per hour. The temperature has risen to 1,300 degrees.
Is that like a rocket?
It's similar, but a rocket works in a different way. This is a Saturn V, the largest rocket ever made. It was built to send people to the moon. Who knows what powers this rocket?
Gasoline?
It's even more powerful than gasoline. The tanks up there contain liquid oxygen. With a temperature of minus 297 degrees and even colder liquid hydrogen at minus 423 degrees.
If the fuel is cold, then how does it burn?
Joey, can you answer that?
I don't know.
Hydrogen offers more pounds of thrust per pound of propellant consumed than any other fuel possible in chemical rockets.
Whoa!
We are now at the molecular level. Those blue molecules are oxygen. The red ones are hydrogen. Joey, can you grab an oxygen molecule? Sally, Angela, add 2 hydrogen molecules. By combining oxygen and hydrogen, a force is created as the gases become H2O or water. Nice job, Joey. Who can tell me what we learned today in the experience learning system?
Joey learned how to pay attention.
Imagine a time in the future when children learn about volcanoes or rockets, about ancient civilizations or distant planets, simply by going there. Technology offering a doorway to experience so believable, it has a profound and lifelong impression. In the animated television show The Magic School Bus, a teacher leads her students on such adventures, from the microscopic to the galactic. And in the enduring universe of Star Trek, a computer-controlled room called a holodeck allows for nearly any scenario to be created, from history to pure imagination. Is such a powerful learning tool achievable, not only within this century, but in this decade? Is the technology within our grasp to truly revolutionize education? The answer can be found in the ongoing work of the Institute for Creative Technologies, a partnership formed in August of 1999 between the U.S. Army and the University of Southern California, in collaboration with the top creative and technical talents of Hollywood. The ICT was originally established to harness advanced virtual reality and simulator technologies. Its goal is the development of an experience learning system, an immersive environment in which personnel will learn to make critical on-the-ground decisions in the midst of unfamiliar and potentially dangerous situations. The experience learning system we're developing will obviously be of enormous value to the Army. But clearly, the greatest application is civilian, in the area of education. In dozens of demonstrations, ICT revealed the strides it's already made towards the development of the experience learning system. Advancements in virtual lighting and other areas were led by Paul Debevic, a 29-year-old computer animation visualist, whose groundbreaking techniques were used to create some of the special effects for The Matrix, and whose own films have won awards worldwide. The initial work being done at ICT is being funded by the U.S. Army, with the mandate of developing a training tool. The Institute is asking Congress to authorize new funding to broaden the development of the experience learning system as an educational tool with further applications for business and industry. 40 years ago, in 1961, President Kennedy asked Congress and the nation to take longer strides and commit itself to landing a man on the moon. The goal was accomplished inside of a decade with the triumph of Apollo 11. Today, a new opportunity is before you to help accelerate the future of education in this country. It's a small step that offers a giant leap for the children of America.
Let's do it again.